Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about how to cut and trim a video. First, we need to open Minitool Movie Maker. Then import the video you want to edit into the software. Click the plus button to add your video to the timeline. Now play the video, and when you get to the part where you want to cut, pause it. Then click the small red scissors icon on the timeline. This will split the video into two parts. Hit the spacebar to continue playing the video. When you reach another point where you want to cut, pause it again and repeat the same cutting process. Select the middle part, find the delete icon, and click it to remove that section. Preview the transition between the first and last parts, and if you need to trim off any extra footage at the end, you can do that by sliding the trimming tool, which works just as well. You can also trim the beginning if you feel it's dragging too long. Finally, give the whole video a quick preview. Once you're sure everything looks good, just click Export in the top right corner. If you have any more questions, you can head over to moviemaker.minitool.com for answers. We're excited for you to explore and use it, and thanks so much for watching.